Hey everyone, this is Mark with RBA Photobooth. So today I'm going to show you a product demo on how to put your iPad to your Nimbus Photobooth shell. Alright, so people are wondering on how to I'm also discuss on how to put your tabletop, because like sometimes people are having a hard time like putting this on to the bracket in the back, because like what normally they do, they would take this up, but the reason why they're having a hard time putting it back because they're doing it wrong. So what you guys have to do is you don't really have to take this out, and you just have to put this bracket in the back. So what you're going to do is just simply put it here, and then you can easily like lock it. So that's one of the major concern that we're having, because like people are asking, they're telling us like, okay, we're having a hard time in putting it back, so like we don't know what we're doing wrong. So that's the reason why like they're having actually a hard time to put it back, because they actually like taking this up when they don't really have to. So there you go, that's there, and then it's already locked. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, like the back of the Nimbus. So just take this off. There you go. And then we're just going to remove the back cover. So now, there you go. And then, so now, this is the bracket for your iPad. And it has 3 wing nuts, so we're just going to remove that. Okay, by the way guys, so before you do that, just make it sure that this screw right over here, the one that locks the strip, so you make it sure that you tighten this up. See here? So it would not came off. There you go. So now everything is tightened up, so we're good to go. And then now, see, now we remove the bracket. So like look at you can as you guys can see, we have a big hole and then a small one. So sometimes people are confused on how they actually put their iPad in the front. So like this hole, the big hole like right over here, this is for the camera, and then the small one is for the home button. Okay, so and some of the like the newer version of the Nimbus that we actually have like a pin. So you need a pin for you to access the home button. So the very reason why we have that is because we don't want like people messing up with your or like your photo booth when you're on an event. So that is the very reason why we specifically design the Nimbus or like the home button, the hole for that. So now what we're going to do, so we're just going to put the iPad. See, as I've said, the camera goes to the big one, the big hole, and then the small one goes to your home button, right? So before you do that, you make it sure that you connect the plug, or you connect your charger first before you lock or put the bracket. So now I have the charger on the my iPad, and then now we're ready to put the bracket and lock it in. So see, so it's easy as that, and we're just going to lock it with the wing nut. Have 3 wing nut. There you go. So now the charger for the iPad goes in the back. It has a hole on the lower like the bottom, and then the one for the LED like goes in the back as well, and also the one for the light. All right, now what we're going to do is we're just going to put the screw back. Okay, now we have our iPad in the Nimbus Photobooth shell, and then this is actually a tabletop. So you have the option to use it as a tabletop, so you can just put it on the table, or you can use a leg for that. So I hope you guys learned something for this product demo, and thank you for watching. And then don't forget to visit our website at www.rbaphotobooths.com. Again, it's www.rbaphotobooths.com. Again, this is Mark, and then I'll make more videos for you guys. Thank you.